Welcome to Black Pearl.
Yep, we are in Dalyan, southwest of Izmir, Turkey, on the Black Pearl, the best boat to go on tour in town. You can book a full day of boat tour starting from 1500 liras. With extra cost, you can even book it for a night tour.
Now you see, I'm riding it! Woo! That's the captain! Woo! This is how you should live your life, people. Relax, Jack.
Fun fact, the word Dalyan derives from a Greek word which means fishing. So, back in the days and up till today, Dalyan is a fishing town in the province of Muğla, southwest of Turkey. This is Dalyan Çayı River. Boats will ply up and down the river, navigating mazes of awesome reeds. As we approach the sea, you can see that it gradually gets deeper. The current was still and the climate was perfect. So much fun just jumping off the boat and snorkeling and swimming. Time to check out some crabbing spots.
Ooh, love it.
Oh, I see it. Captain Servet.
So good.
This is how we do it.
Juicy.
Juicy. Juicy.
Dalyan lies at the riverbanks of Lake Köyceğiz, which covers an area of about 5,200 hectares. Lake Köyceğiz is the second largest in the Aegean region. The lake is about 70 meters deep, and some areas transition from turquoise to green. This is because there are two thermal sources of water flowing through the lake, causing seismic activities producing sulfur. Perfect living condition for planktons, which in turn provide nutrients for great variety of fish like sea bass, mullets, and sea breams. I had like the freshest grilled fish here in this town.
I started to process. I forgot. I need to get back to it. Soft rustle. Sounds like cornfield.
The boat tour was just perfect. The day went by too quick, especially when you're having fun. Come visit Dalyan and look for the Black Pearl. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.